Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Poly Nation. Anyway, I want to bring you along with me on a trip. I've got a video out where it's how to get a load of wood chips in 5 minutes or less. And it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is go out and find guys that are cutting down branches and cutting them up and throwing them in their wood chipper, and you say, hey guys, bring it on over to my house. Or you can call the company up. But that's not easy for everybody to do. If you don't have them in your area, you can't get a load of wood chips. Everybody lives, if you're watching this video, everybody lives everywhere in the world, so you kind of make use of what you can have and what you can get your hands on. And I try to tell everybody that you can grow something, you can grow anything in your backyard with the things that are in your backyard. So I'm a big proponent of anything carbon. And if it's cardboard or wood chips or dead grass, even green grass, if you let it compost, leaves. That's one of my favorite, is using dead fall leaves, because the leaves are full of good nutrients, and it's very neutral as far as a fertilizer or soil amendment. And most anything that's just carbon is just neutral for the soil, and you don't have to worry about harming your plant, because people are like, yeah, but it doesn't have a high NPK ratio. Okay, well, that's a big story. We can go into that, which I do in my books. I go into that, but NPK is really irrelevant as to what we're doing here. And you get a lot of your nitrogen from photosynthesis. So the sun is what helps, combined with the CO2, is what helps create the nitrogen, because with the Calvin cycle and pulling in that sunlight and energy, and it going straight down to the roots, and it goes out in the form of exudates and goes into the soil as sugars for your bacteria and your other microbes. Anyway, you're going on a trip with me because we are going to pick up some leaves, and I'm going to show you, if you can't get a hold of wood chips and you don't live on a big property. Thank you, mister. You don't have a lot of acres like I do. You're going to need to go out and pick up some grass or leaves or wood chips, cardboard, whatever. And you can do this for free, or you can charge people for it. And that's what I do. I don't go out and pick anything up for free unless it's right around my local neighborhood. I just go out and I charge. I put a listing up, and I say, I will pick up your bagged leaves for X amount of dollars, and we can discuss that later. But you can go out and you can get it for free, or you can charge people. I like to make money off of it, so and that's kind of what I do for a living anyway. So you're going to go on a trip with me, and I'm going to go out to a couple of jobs, and I'm going to pick up some bagged leaves from a couple customers that saw my ad in Craigslist. I have a 16-foot trailer, which if you add it up, it's about 16 cubic yards. Now, it's not because it's a 16-foot trailer, but it's 16 cubic yards with a 4-foot side. And I filled this up about, as you can see, about halfway, not even halfway, so I'd say about 7 cubic yards. And it took me 5 minutes and I charged $55. So I'm here at a gas station just fueling up, and I thought I would go ahead and record that. And I didn't want to get that on camera with the customer and kind of freak her out. I'm done fueling. Ouch. But this is really great stuff. Use it if you want to get extra miles and keep everything clean. Lucas is a really great product. But that's not what the video is about anyway. Anyway, on to the next job. Quick about this one. This is my second job for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, I don't know, 20 to 25, and I'm charging 50. Well, that's it. I'm done. That's 2 jobs, $50, and then $55. Took 10 minutes for loading of everything. And I just got a call to pick up a washer and a dryer, and they'll fit nicely back here. That's another $30. And I sent the neighbors some of my cards. So I'm ready to pick up more leaves for the garden. Alright, so I'm done picking up. It's the next day. I didn't really have enough time to record, so I got a call to pick up these 2 units here, the washer and dryer. It was en route, so I said, yeah, why not? I'll pick it up, $30, and then I'll take it to the salvage yard to collect some money from the metal. But this is what we're ended up with. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun in there too. But we're going to take all these bags and just dump them out here and spread them. I already got a good thickness here, but you know, never hurts to, you know, go thicker. So I got my grandson help me say hi, everybody. Hi. All right, we're gonna spread these out. So really, that's it. I've got everything that I need. As I said, the rest can go towards my compost pile, because what I can't use in my garden here will go straight to my compost pile, which you've seen before in other videos. It's just a bunch of leaves, grass, whatever, kitchen scraps, and I just make dirt with it. Excuse me, dirt. I said the D word. That's a dirty word. I make soil with it, so topsoil, and it can be used as topsoil or fill dirt somewhere else. So you know, especially with this stuff, you know, I look through it. I look through it here, and all this stuff, it's pretty much all just leaves, so you never know what you're going to get, but I feel pretty confident and safe that what I'm getting is going to be good for the garden. So what's good for the garden is going to be good for the soil, it's going to be good for the microbes, and macros is good for you. So so we're done, and the calls keep coming in to pick up leaves, and I'll charge people to pick up leaves, and then I'll probably just drag it in and put it on my compost pile and let the worms and microbes and macrobes and everything else just take its course naturally, and I'll have all that great soil to use for a later date, especially for mixing certain plants for indoor, for my wife's plants, for seeding grass around the house, around the foundation, anything that I need. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed all of this. I hope it helps you. I hope you like, subscribe, and whatever, and you know the deal. So you can also find me on Rumble. Also down in the description box, get my books. You'll enjoy them. Much more information in the books. Bye.